what is the difference between branding and lead generation. Lead generation is जितना आप पैसा डालोगे, जितने टाइम तक ऐड चलाओगे, चाहे वो एसईओ हो या फिर गूगल ऐड या फेसबुक और इंस्टाग्राम रील्स, you will keep on investing and that will keep on growing. Branding is a combination of so many things together, which I explained to you. So your YouTube videos are there, your Facebook or Instagram marketing is there, your website is there, Google SEO is there, and video testimonials are there. So fifth point is what it takes. Why are you not doing it? There are three things. First is the mindset. We have a fear that okay, this is not allowed, this is not allowed. We are not searching out, find out things that what is allowed, and that is the mindset issue. So you have to work on it. You have to acknowledge that it is important. First thing is you should understand that this is an important part of your healthcare business, and you should be willing to spend some money and time. So to give money, give time and effort. All the three are very important. So you might have to employ somebody. He can be a very useful help, because if you start learning on your own, it will take a lot of time, as well as you are taking the time out of your clinical work and trying to learn these things. That is not advisable. Something which can be done by a person who is 20,000 rupees whatever is salary, you should not be wasting your time doing that. But we are only emphasizing that you should be knowing that what is to be done and check over him. So you have to spend some amount of revenue on organic and inorganic branding activity. And it is like petrol. You can get a best car, it will not work without petrol. Petrol you have to put before the car runs. That is the way the social media also works. You have to put in some money to get the result. And you have to adopt the technology. Technology is growing so fast. In today's era, with ChatGPT, with all the AI tools, the making of a post or any content on the social media is very, very easy affair. You can create the whole month's social media content in 1 or 2 minutes and try to be ahead of the curve. Not just try to catch the trend. You should be taking the first mover's advantage. How much you should be spending? Basically, there's no upper limit, and the range of sharing should be, if you are very aggressive, then it can be 5 to 10%. If you are not that aggressive, then you can get up to 2 to 5%. But at least this much part of your revenue should go in the marketing and branding. So that is telling you what is the difference between branding and lead generation. Lead generation is जितना आप पैसा डालोगे, जितने टाइम तक ऐड चलाओगे, चाहे वो एसईओ हो या फिर गूगल ऐड या फेसबुक और इंस्टाग्राम रील्स, you will keep on investing and that will keep on growing. Branding is a combination of so many things together, which I explained to you. So your YouTube videos are there, your Facebook or Instagram marketing is there, your website is there, Google SEO is there, and video testimonials are there. These are the things which will feed into one another. So at one point of time, you will be getting the clients from the Instagram coming into your YouTube, YouTube going to your website, website going to your YouTube, and this way. They will have more and more confidence after seeing your content. They will be actually recognizing you before you have met them.